Welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is a Factory 5 Daytona Coupe. There is a Coyote power plant under the hood, 5-speed shifter. The car is amazing. Now this is a Gen 3. It is the new body style, the new frame, the new roll bar. The car is amazing. It handles like it's on rails. I've already been out driving it, had a blast. Everybody you see is cranking their head around. We went to the gas station and got mobbed. It was like we were at a car show. They'd never seen anything so cool as this car. Now, Carol Shelby built this baby back in the day to race it, and they did a beautiful job on the design on this car. She is a blast to drive. Like I said, everybody wants to talk about this car. Now, you slip right down inside there, and it is just as comfortable as can be. You're nestled in that cockpit. This car will do amazing things. Everything brand new on this baby. She is gorgeous inside and out. Now we're gonna get her up on the lift. We're gonna show you how cool the bottom side is. We're gonna get it out and drive it. Look at that paint. Of course, it's the traditional colors. We got big meat on the back laying down that Coyote horsepower. And this back window is glass. I love this little, look at that. Plenty of room back there, man. You can put your clubs back there. You can put a tent back there. You can get lawn chairs, get the groceries. We actually had a black one of these. It's already sold and gone. I took that baby home. I went to the grocery store. Everywhere I went, man, I had people asking me about it. You want to talk about most popular guy on the block? I had it parked out in my front yard. Everybody in the neighborhood wanted to stop and talk to me about this beautiful car. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment whatsoever. That means we own this car. We do have one little imperfection in the paint right there. Other than that, the paint is absolutely gorgeous, guys. So we do our homework, we get them up on the lift, we check them out. That way we can tell you all about the car. Another thing, this windshield's all direct set like the new cars. Very, very cool. So you're watching us on YouTube right now. And if you want to see more cool videos just like this one, we do about 40 a month. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and click that little bell button, and you'll get a notification every time we get a badass car just like this one. Let's take this Daytona Coupe for a ride. You want to talk about fun? This is one amazing machine right here. We got the Coyote power up front, handles like it's on rails, and you want to talk about attention? This is an attention getter right here. Everybody wants to see this baby, just like that truck driver right there. He's more interested in looking at this car than he is driving that truck. Now, we can ship this car anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will explain the whole process to you, just how easy it is to park this dream in your driveway, no matter where you live. We can also help you out with financing. We got several bankers we work with on financing. As you can see, it'll go around the corner. We're getting thumbs up from the lady again. She's out here walking all the time. Now we're close to the airport. If you'd like to come in and check this baby out in person, we'd love to have you. I'm popping it neutral so you can hear me over that amazing sounding Coyote. If you want to send an inspector, that's not a problem either. Send your inspector. You can pull this baby. She is grease lightning, man. Now we're about to do something that nobody else in the industry does to every car. We're gonna put this baby up in the air so you can check out the bottom side. Hold on. You can turn in the driveway going just about as fast as you want. Stick with it. All right, we're underneath this baby now, and man, is she pretty under here. Look at this. Now this is their new frame. This thing is amazing. There are braces going in every direction. It's just a feat of artistry, man. It is gorgeous. Now this rear end housing is a Ford rear end housing. It is a 355 gear, and of course it is Posi. We do have disc brakes, coilovers holding it up, big sway bar here. Again, adjustable links here for, I mean, you could adjust this thing in 15 different directions. And look at this frame, man. We got cross braces going this way, that way, diagonal, up, down, sideways, left to right, man. She's beautiful under here. Now we got a TKO600 trans. It is a brand new one. We got a cable clutch here. Of course, that's that Coyote up there. We'll take a look at the top side here in a minute. And again, up here, we got 90-degree braces. We got angle braces. We got all kind of braces up here. Looks like those headers are stainless. That's looking sweet. Batteries mounted right here so it's easy to get out, which is very cool. We got big disc brakes up front, coilovers holding all this up, and again, all the suspension, fully adjustable up here, looking sweet. The nose of the car still in great shape, hasn't been hit on anything. We got great looking tires and wheels. Now these are factory 5s knockoff simulations. Now the lug nuts are right underneath here, and see that set screw right there? You gotta take that set screw out and then spin that off to get to the lug nuts. So make sure you take the set screw out. If you don't, you'll booger up the threads. We got two 45 17s up front. We got great looking side pipes here, those white side pipes, just like they were back in the day. Out back here, we got 3 15, 35 17s, and again, there's that set screw. Make sure you take it out before you take that spinner off. That is putting horsepower to the ground right there. Well, we're gonna lower it down and take a look at that Coyote horsepower under the hood. All right, under the hood here, we got a Gen 2 Coyote. You know, these things make well over 400 horse. This is a 17 model motor. We found a casting number. Of course, everything looks brand new under here. We do have rack and pinion steering. Like I said, the battery's mounted down there so it's easy to get at. We got a cold air intake set up here. Now the car does have air conditioning and heat, which is very cool. You can see everything under here is neat as a pin, nice and clean. You can tell it's a brand new build. I've been out driving it. We had a blast. Like I said, we've had a few of these cars. We got the plaque right there for Factory 5 with all the numbers on it right there. You can see all the aluminum's nice and bright. All the tin work looks good. All the rivets, everything looking beautiful under here. Guys, this is an attention getter. Wherever you go, you're gonna draw a crowd. So give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.